Hello everybody. This is a small video which is basically about me and my courses. So here in this video I will tell you about me, about my educational backgrounds, about my credentials, about my civil services experiences as an aspirant, as a teacher, and then I will introduce you, all of you, about the courses, and I will also discuss the details of my courses. So let's start. First, you can see this first page. This is me, Gaurav Kumar Jha, and I have a 7 years of teaching experience. My contact number is 9717128945. And then the second slide talks about my educational background. So if you see my educational background, then I completed my political science honors from University of Delhi, and then I also pursued a LLB program from the same University of Delhi, that is in Faculty of Law. After that, I appeared for civil services exam, and I appeared for mains and interview twice. I appeared for the mains 4 times. Now, if you see about my teaching experiences, then let me tell you that I started my career with Evolution IS, which is a fundamentally an institute for civil services examinations, and Indian Forest Services also. And then I joined Rao's IS, that is a very prestigious institute. It is a very old institute. I worked there. Presently, I am associated with so many different institutes, like the most famous one is a Byju's IS. I am also associated with a socio-cultural based organization known as Sankalp. I am also associated with many similar other reputed institutions. Now, coming to my course plan. So, what kind of courses I can offer to all of you? So, I have made different courses for different categories of the students, different type of students. So if you see my first course is on Indian polity, and this is a very foundation course. It is a course for beginners, those who are not familiar with the subject. They will come to know about the basics of Indian polity, constitution. So here this course is known as PT foundation course. Let me tell you that this course is for very uh, students, those who are very new to this civil services exam, and then those who are at a later advanced stage. I have devised a very special and targeted course, Indian polity mains advanced course. In this course I will connect the topic with different subjects, so it will be very interdisciplinary in nature. It will be full of analysis which will help you to acquire and consider up all the substantial understanding of syllabus. Then I have also made one course on international relations. This is an integrated course for PT and mains. Since the role of international relations is very marginal in both PT exam and mains exam, so I thought that there is no point in creating different courses on international relations. So I have made one course on international relations, that is PT and mains. Then coming to the governance part, here I have made a very foundation course, a very basic course to understand the different institutions of the country which are involved in policy making, implementation, and which is responsible to the modern needs of governance. After understanding this basic course, I have also made one advanced course on governance, which will be full of analysis. It will cover the entire dynamic part of the governance. And then I have a very targeted course for all those people who are clearing PT and but not able to clear the mains for couple of times, fundamentally because they don't have writing skill. So there is one answer writing course where I will discuss, and we will do research on 500 questions which were asked in the exam, and the prototype questions similar to that. So this is a course where we will discuss 500 questions. We will know the strategies of answer writing. So it's a very fantastic course for fundamentally for the students who are very near to qualifying the exam, but because of some problem in their answer writing skills, they are not able to give a final shot to their exam. So this is all about my course plan. One more fundamental aspect of our course will be editorials, that whatever I will teach, I will try to link it with the editorials. I will link it with the current developments. That is the essence of this subject. One more thing which I would like to add here is that our courses will also contain different charts. So now let us see the details of the course. Here I have devised the course of PT and mains, and I have also specified the number of hours which we will take on each topic. So you can see here fundamental rights are very important, so I have devoted 20 hours on fundamental rights. Similarly, I have made one special chapter on basics of Indian polity, especially for the students who do not come from arts background or political science background, so that they can become familiar with the subject. If you can see, then I have made special topics on this 20 important legislations and also the important Supreme Court decisions. We will see 20 statutory bodies and 10 constitutional bodies. So this is the minimum number, maybe that we can exceed more than this also. So this is the USP of this course. Try to understand the importance of this course. This course is very contemporary and it is related with newspapers. It is related with newspaper. So thank you to all of you for listening to this video. I hope that there is a great journey between me and you, so that we can together achieve our benchmarks which we have set for ourselves. Thank you so much.